Hello kids, how are you all? I hope that all of you are good and safe at your home. Your friend Moodle is here with us and Moodle wants to share something with you all. So let's see what Moodle has to say.
Hello friends, I am Moodle. It's good to see you all again. You know, one day when I was playing with my mother in the garden, she started coughing badly. And I was so worried to see her like this. So we decided to visit our family doctor. What are you doing, doctor?
I'm checking if everything is fine inside your mama's body.
But what is there inside her body? Is there something inside my body as well? And I was so curious to know about all of this.
Seems interesting, right? So kids, do you also want to know what's there inside Moodle's body? Come, let's peek inside Moodle's body and see what do we find there.
Oh, hello. I am Moodle's brain. I help Moodle to think. And not only that, I help him to solve his difficult math problems and remember his friends' birthdays and important things. Nice meeting you all. Bye bye.
Hello. Can you hear this sound? I'm sure you often hear this sound, isn't it? I make this sound. I am Moodle's heart. I help him to pump the blood.
Now Moodle is hungry. He wants to eat a banana. Let's see where this banana is going.
Hello everyone, I am Moodle's food pipe. I will help this banana to reach my friend's stomach. It is right there near the tummy. I got to go now. Bye.
Let's go and meet the stomach too.
Hello. I am Moodle's stomach. All the food that he eats comes to me. Oh, something is coming. I must go now. Bye-bye.
I think there is another part in there.
Hello, we are the Lung Twins. We live inside Moodle's chest. We help him in breathing.
Moodle is able to sit, stand and hold with the help of some special body part. Do you know which body parts?
We are the bones and muscles of Moodle's body. From sitting to standing and to writing, we help him in everything.
Let's see what do we have next.
Hi everyone, I am Moodle's liver. I store energy in form of sugar and I produce digestive liquid.
Now let's meet the kidney twins.
Hello, we are the kidney twins. We live inside Moodle's body and we help him to filter the blood.
Inside Moodle's body we found his brain, heart, his food pipe, stomach, his lungs, kidneys, liver and bones and muscles. So these are the organs that we cannot see with our eyes and we cannot touch. So these organs are called internal organs. Okay? And just like Moodle, all of us, yes, we all have these same internal organs inside our body as well. So kids, what else have you noticed in the video? We have noticed that each internal organ has a specific function. Right? How interesting is this? You see, our body is so amazing and it has so many internal organs. So now, who will tell me how many internal organs we have discussed about in this video? Can we tell? Yes, okay. And can you tell me what are the functions of all these internal organs? Yes, okay, let's find out.
Brain. Yes, it helps us to think. Then we have heart. Heart pumps the blood. Very nice. Then lungs. Lungs help us to breathe. Stomach. Stomach digests the food that we eat. Then we have bones and muscles. They help us to stand, sit, study, run and walk, etc. Then we have liver, and it stores energy in form of sugar. At last we have kidneys. Kidneys filter the blood. Very good.
So kids, now it's time for a quick recall.
Kids, can you see? Here I have body cutout of Moodle, right? We can see his legs, hands, face, eyes, ears, nose and head. So, you know, the organs that you can see with your eyes and touch with your hands are called external organs, right? And here I have internal organs cut out. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to place all these internal organs in their correct position. Okay, so tell me, what is this? Yes, this is brain. So where should we place it? We should place it right here. Yes, this is the correct position of brain. And now tell me, what is this? Yes, this is heart. Now we have to place this heart at its appropriate position. Okay, so we have to place it right here. Then tell me, what is this? Yes, these are lungs. These are lungs. So let's place them here. Very nice. Then we have liver. Okay, so now place the liver in its correct place. We have to place the liver right here. Then we have stomach. Tell me, where should we place this stomach? Yes, we should place it right here. Then we have kidneys. Yes, and kidneys filter the blood. And tell me, where should we place them? We should place them right here. Very nice. At last we have the intestines. Okay, there are two intestines, large and small. So now tell me, where should we place them? We should place them right here. Very nice. So now
you can see all the internal organs of Moodle are correctly placed. Now it's activity time, and in this activity we are going to create all the internal organs with the help of modeling clay. Okay, and don't worry if you are not having clay at your home, then what you can do? You can use wheat flour as well. Later on, you can color them as well. Okay, so let's begin. Can you see? All our internal organs are ready. Let's revive them one more time. Okay? See, these are lungs और हिंदी में हम इन्हें फेफड़े भी कहते हैं. So, क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं यहाँ कौन सी मात्रा है? Yes, सही समझा. छोटी ए की मात्रा. Look at them carefully. Don't you think they look like a bunch of grapes? Yes. Do you like grapes? Okay. So, can you tell me which plant is there in the word grapes? Yes. GR plant. Very good. Okay. So, tell me, what is this? Yes. This is heart. और हिंदी में इसे दिल कहा जाता है. और क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं यहाँ कौन सी मात्रा है? यस, छोटी ई की मात्रा. और टेल मी, हाउ डज इट लुक लाइक? इट लुक्स लाइक अ टोमेटो स्लाइस. यस, देन वी हैव स्टमक. यस, सो कैन यू टेल मी, how does it look like?
Yes, it looks like ginger. And stomach को हिंदी में पेट कहा जाता है. और यहाँ कौन सी मात्रा है? Yes, यहाँ छोटी एक की मात्रा है. Very good. Then we have liver. Liver को हिंदी में जिगर कहा जाता है. And tell me, यहाँ कौन सी मात्रा है? यस, यहाँ पर छोटी ई की मात्रा है. वेरी नाइस.
Next we have kidneys. Yes. So, how many kidneys do we have? Yes, 2 kidneys. So, kidneys को हिंदी में गुर्दा कहा जाता है. यहाँ छोटे ऊ की मात्रा और यहाँ यस बड़े आ की मात्रा. Look at them carefully and tell me, how do they look like? Yes, they look like red beans. Very nice. Okay, and next we have brain. And don't you think it looks like a walnut? Yes. And brain को हिंदी में दिमाग कहा जाता है. तो क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हो यहाँ कौन सी मात्रा है? यस, छोटी इक की मात्रा और यहाँ बड़े आ की मात्रा. तो क्या बन गया ये? दिमाग. वेरी गुड. So kids, now it's time for some homework. And in your homework, you have to create all these internal organs with the help of clay. And not only this, you have to record a video as well in which you will be telling about the functions of all these organs. Alright, that's it for today. See you all in the next learning video. Till then, bye bye.